In the dim light of a kerosene lamp, Ali sits on the floor of his meager home, his brow furrowed in concentration. The room whispers tales of poverty, yet Ali's eyes gleam with an unyielding determination. Amid the sounds of a bustling, impoverished neighborhood, Ali absorbs the knowledge from the pages. Outside the school, a sea of students anxiously awaits the exam results, their collective anticipation palpable. Amidst the crowd, Ali's worn clothes speak of silent battles fought and overcome. A wave of exhilaration washes over Ali as he discovers his name among the top achievers. His face radiates pure, hard-won joy. Years later, I stand in my modern office, a testament to a journey fueled by resilience. The bustling cityscape stretches out before me, each building a symbol of the dreams I dared to chase. I pause, reflecting on the path that led me here, each step echoing with perseverance and unwavering spirit.